Alright, good morning everybody, or good afternoon. We're going to look at a few things, start with the oil, then move on to the dollar, then the gold sector. And this is directionalanalysis.com. Alright, this is the uh, oil, the oil fund, and kind of follows the oil contracts. Pardon me. And if we can see this uptrend line, it has it broke prior before it broke the trend line, then it came back and tested it, and it actually that's where you see all the that huge sell-off on Friday. Um, it's been on the sneaky, that's for sure, because um, the volume hasn't really been an indicator in this case. There was a spike um, of volume right here, but it's not a huge tail. Um, I just want to point out that this trend line touch here, it it couldn't break it, so it bounced right off. Touch it here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before it broke down. So this is, so far, I think it's a pretty reliable trend line. Um, let's move on to the dollar real quick. Alright, this is the dollar index, and if you can see, it's been in this channel, or this falling wedge type pattern, and we're now towards the bottom of the pattern, uh, um, and we are in a very strong support area. Uh, we've touched this area quite a few times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 or 11, 10 times. So this could be the dead cat bounce that the market has been looking for, which in return will cause uh, it, it would have been the reason why the oil broke down like it did, and also it will cause the markets to have a pullback or even a breakdown. So we'll have to see. Next week should be a very volatile week next week. Alright, and finally this is the GLD, which is the ETF that follows the gold contracts. And like you can see, we broke out of this symmetrical continuation triangle. Now we are at this extremely strong resistance. Um, that's another that's probably another reason why the you're gonna see some uh, bounce of from the dollar, and also the breakdown of the oil. That explains all of it. Um, Everything just coincides with everything else, so we're probably gonna see a little pullback, possible even a retest of this area right here. Um, so we're just gonna have to see next week uh, what happens, and I'll definitely keep you updated. If you can see, we also did broke out of this uh, indicator right here, which is one of my favorites, the PPO. Um, I definitely think that gold is going higher, but it's just we're a little frothy right now. So we may have to, the market's gonna have to give back some of it. Alright, until next time, thank you for listening. Directionalanalysis.com. Have a great weekend, everybody.